Here's entering the hotel. The Seneca Niagara Resort and Casino.
Sim, ele falou que tinha um negócio fazendo driveway, um monte de reparo.
Filming like that.
The entryway of this huge casino. The casino is huge. Meeting rooms, very nice. Open the door. Entryway. This is a little. Hi! This is a little.
Hey, it's me too.
Area we can do. Got a full-size mirror. This is the bathroom. You got your toilet. Oh, got a phone in the toilet. Nice vanity and mirror. Have some supplies. Blow dryer.
You don't see anything,
I know. And a shower. A nice big shower. Okay. Walk back out here. And you have the bed. Nice. Nice bed. A little desk area. Little ice box. Little cabinets. Oh, got a big closet. Got a TV. Coffee. What's under here? Oh, this is where the safe is and the refrigerator. Nadia, you want to go get some beer? Nope. Got another little desk area. Got a little seating place. And then, even though we're not on the falls side, we are at the garage side, or the parking lot of the Seneca Niagara Resort and Casino. The casino. There's a poker, I don't know, and all the damn slots. There's a nice little man though right there.
Yeah, so I hit record. The book is not allowed shit. The book can hold shit out. That's it.